Oh, just realised we can't do smoking gags anymore, but I've got a good idea. Tonight, Matthew, I will be Top Gun. Baby, baby, I get down on my knees for you. Enough of that nonsense. I'm the captain of this cabin. Now come in for a proper review. All fun aside, you've seen the introduction and that was taken about 30 minutes ago. We're inside, we've got all the equipment in, we had to open the door, and as you can still see there's still smoke lingering in and around the cabin, and that's the main purpose of this review, is to discuss the Gemi professional fan that I've purchased. To cut a long story short, we've all been locked down during the COVID-19 pandemic and we were going absolutely stir crazy. We couldn't go on holiday, so we had some space in the garden and we had some money left from his holiday, so we decided we're going to splash out. We've got the Arctic cabin. We absolutely love this cabin. The kids love it. They come in here, play on the PlayStation, watch the TV. When they've gone to bed, me and my wife enjoy a nice glass of wine. We cook in here. But I just couldn't help myself. I just needed to make one more little improvement. It's about to get serious. I've got a beer in my hand, and the last time I actually did a review on the Gemi Professional Fan, we used a marine grade flare, but we've pushed the boat out and we've gone all in, and we've got ourselves a proper nightclub smoke machine. So this is going to just prove how hardcore this fan is at getting rid of smoke. So here goes. Big box, small box, little fish, big fish. So absolutely smoked out to the max. I can't see the camera. If you can see me, I'm surprised. But let's see what this Gemi Professional Fan can do. Start the fans, please! Gone. It's gonna be a bright, bright sunshiny day. So, in summary, I could babble on about this fan all night long, but there's no point in doing that. It does exactly what it says on the tin. You've seen that within the video. But I just wanted to point out a couple of extra footnotes, and one being that we've had a couple of really nice warm sunny days, and when we've turned the fan on we instantly feel the fresh air coming through and you feel physically cooler. And I just wanted to also note that we had our fan fit by a qualified electrician, so please do seek a local electrician that you obviously is qualified. But to finish off, I just want to just show you that by having the fan you can get the fire burning much quicker, it draws quicker, and that means you can start your night much quicker and get to the beer. So as you can see, we've got the fire started. I don't know if you can hear in the background, but the fan is only on about speed 3, which is about right. It's not too noisy. You can hear yourself talking, and it's helping the draw of the fire. We're using a chimney starter, so this will probably take about 15 to 20 minutes to get the coals fully lit up, and then we'll we'll bring you back. Thanks ever so much for watching. We've had an absolute ball making this video.